I've had a certain amount of anxiety around telling this story, mostly out of respect to the people involved, but also because it's turning out not to be the story I thought it would. I've always loved the GB5 from the first time I saw one. I guess I thought I could start and end with the technical details, but I soon started to realize there's so much more to tell. This story, at its heart, is about people. The late Mr. Piero Bambi and the GB5 as a love letter to his wife. It's also about a period of very rapid innovation where traditional and Western values are taking a step towards each other, and to see that happen on a technical and aesthetic masterpiece such as the GB5 is very special indeed. So, as it turns out, it's a reasonable and well-founded anxiety to have, but I'm going to do my best to tell it, from the voices of those who were there, the previous owner who loved it, industry pioneers active at the time, and as many other sources as I can find, and we'll see where it goes.